So this time I'm gonna show you the final upgrade of my slingshot crossbow. So what's new? Yes, first is the trigger. This time I use brass trigger instead of wood triggers. And second, I add extra rubber to the arm of the slingshot crossbow to improve the power of the crossbow. And the arm is foldable, always foldable. And inside here we still use 5mm steel bullet. Everything is still the same, only the triggers and the extra rubbers that has changed. So as you can see, I attached one brass triggers already inside the barrel. So at the future, most of my product, even if a crossbow, wooden repeating crossbow or slingshot crossbow like this, they will use brass as the trigger. So you don't have to worry about the quality of the product. And let's test now. I put fake target and the distance is around 10 meters, and I also add laser dot on the top of the slingshot crossbow to help me with the accuracy. First target fell. I missed it, the second one, and the third one, squirrel, it's fine, and then kingfisher, boom. And as always, the coke is always at the end because I love when it explodes, and I usually use slow-mo to catch the effect. Boom! Even the bullet is really small, but it's strong enough to hit the coke and make it explode. And at my family house, I also have a starfruit. The tall of the tree is around 5 meters, and yeah, let's find some fruit there. As you know, the fruit is not ready to take yet, but it's fine to use it as a target. So if you would like to buy this slingshot crossbow, please text me on email and let's change number there, because I cannot share my number or my detailed information on this video, but I will put the email on the description. So hope you like the video.